Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you the differences between a pure sine wave inverter and a modified sine wave inverter. First of all, I'm going to tell you what an inverter does. An inverter is an appliance uh, which converts our DC current in our battery to AC current, which can be used by our home appliances. Basically, in the market we have two types of inverter, and these are the pure sine wave inverters and the modified sine wave inverter. So today I'm going to be telling you the differences. I will start with the pure sine wave inverter. The pure sine wave inverter runs just exactly like our local utility company electricity. Let me say, for example, NEPA, Power Holding, and whatever you call them. That's how a pure sine wave inverter will give you its own AC output, while the modified sine wave inverter does not give us a very clean electricity. It gives us electricity that fluctuates. The pure sine wave inverter, on the other hand, again, is the best form of inverter that we can use on our solar system. Because this pure sine wave inverter runs almost all types of appliances that we're going to use in our home, even in our establishment. Because pure sine wave inverters run all these heavy equipments just as the way our local utility company electricity will run them. Let's say, for example, in a very where you use your microwaves, some of these heavy equipment in the hospitals, some of our heavier electronics in our homes like ACs, fridge, all these appliances that use AC motors, they can only work very well with a pure sine wave inverter. This is because pure sine wave inverter gives a very steady electricity. It does not fluctuate, and this will make your appliances to last long based on the type of current pure sine wave inverter I will give you. More so, people run away from pure sine wave inverter because they are 3 times costlier than the modified sine wave inverter, but they are 10 times better in output. In the long run, satisfaction, they are 10 times better than modified sine wave inverter. That's all about sine wave inverter, the pure sine wave inverter. So on the other hand, the modified sine wave inverter are relatively very cheap. They are easily available, they are affordable, you can see them everywhere. Yes, but the modified one are so cheap, as I've said, but they give fluctuating currents. they give fluctuating current. And as you know, some of our appliances cannot withstand fluctuating current. This will damage some of their ICs, and eventually they are going to stop working. So that is the basic disadvantage of a modified sine wave inverter. It gives fluctuating current. Its current is not as clean as the pure sine wave inverter. So also, the modified sine wave inverter is relatively very cheap. As I've said, it's so cheap that you can just buy it with a very small amount of money, but it's not advisable in terms of some appliances, because let's say for example you want to run your microwave, you want to run your fridge, you want to run any appliances that has AC motor. A modified sine wave will not run it. Let's even say even some of our printers, our laptops, our heavy computers cannot be run by a modified sine wave inverter, because it releases a fluctuating current. Because of that fluctuating current, it will be often at a regular. It cannot pick all this heavy equipment short. So, but please, if you are going for shopping, try and get a pure sine wave inverter. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing you more explanation on anything solar. Yes. But before I go, I would like to show you the pictures, the diagram of a pure sine wave inverter and a modified sine wave inverter. As you can see, this is the picture of a pure sine wave inverter. You can see how the curve goes very smoothly, and this is how its current also goes very smoothly. It has no break. This is a pure sine wave inverter electricity diagram, as you can see it. Yes, then I'm going to show you also the diagram of a modified sine wave inverter. You can see it goes, or it goes down like this, goes up, goes down. These are all the fluctuation it comes across. These are the fluctuations we are talking in the output, AC output of any modified sine wave inverter. Is always going up and going down and fluctuating, and that's how it goes. That's why it cannot power any heavy AC motor uh, appliance. So take note when going for your inverter. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting more and more in my next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.